just want to eat some organic food.
Yeah.
That's it. Iron Shore, the Miami of Montego Bay of Jamaica. Huh?
Yeah, man.
Wow, it's such a beautiful place. And I have a video coming out, and of course I'm here with Jamaican Walk By.
Yeah.
And we're going to get some food because I'm hungry.
Yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah, so let's see what we'll find here. So this is also one of those elite neighborhoods in Jamaica, and you can all see how they look like. It's a beautiful place, and you want to get some food here. I feel like checking around, but we don't have all the time.
So we have this here, we have this here.
Wow.
So we have all this. That one is not open yet. That's the wrap
Yeah.
place. Is not open yet.
We can find that next place. Okay, let's go here.
All right.
We have some rice.
So it's morning right now. So I'm not sure what is on